Okay, so members, well done. Let us see now how do you answer now such a question when they are giving you one side and then they are asking you to get the other side. And also when they are asking you the area scale factor, let us see how you go about that question. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, they are giving us this figure here. Find CY. So this is our CY, then YB. This is YB. So if you get CY, you can easily get YB. Then the linear scale factor and also the area scale factor. Okay. So it's that this triangle XY is that now X, Y, C and A, B, C are similar. Because they are similar, so this one is similar. This then we can use our idea. Now, in number one, it's that now CY over 5 is going to be equal to 2. Now, if we have used this, then we use also for the big one, this triangle here. So this triangle is similar to the old triangle. So if I use CY over this, then I'm going to use now CB is going to be equal to CB over now B, where 5 is our XY. Okay. Let me remove it so that everyone is able to follow. This one is X, Y. So that you see that I'm comparing CY, XY, then CB, and AB. So that now this will be CY over XY, which is 5, will be equal to CB, which is 12, over AB, which is 20. So it cross multiply there. So that our CY is 12 times 5 over 20. And so my CY becomes, I think so that one is going to give us 3. So our CY is 3 centimeters. Now, YB. How do I get YB? YB is very easy. So that my YB is that CY plus YB. The whole is giving me CB. These are lines. So I have CY, so that my YB is going to be CB, which is 12, now minus CY, which is 3. So my YB is going to be 9 centimeters. Now number 3, I want the linear scale factor. In Roman numeral 3, linear scale factor. Say the linear scale factor. We get the big over the small, so it will be AB, the big line, over XY, the smaller line. So this will be now my AB. My AB is 20 over 5. So there my linear scale factor is going to be 4. Linear scale factor has the units. Or you could use CB over CY. That's how it will be the same. Number 4, they are asking us to get the area scale factor. So what you could say, you could get the area of this over the area of the big, but that's a long process. You said that always know the difference between the area scale factor and the linear scale factor. So area scale factor is equal to area scale factor squared. So this will be now our area scale factor is 4 squared, and so our area scale factor is going to be 16. Has no units because these are ratios, and so that's how we answer that. Then here, use the figure below to find QC, area of the trapezium, BQC. So where is our AP? Our AP is here. So what are you going to use? So it's like this APQ is similar to ABC. APQ is similar to ABC. Meaning that now, this, if I call this, okay, it's that my AP, so my AP over AP or AP plus the whole of this line. Okay, my AP over 12 is going to be this AP, if I compare this AP over PQ, okay, let me first use figure so that you can follow. So this is AP over PQ is going to be equal to now in the same corresponding size the AP. Here I'm going to use AB of the big triangle. So AB over as the PQ, meaning here I'm going to use BC. So meaning my AP, if I say that my AP, let AP be L. I'm going to be adding now L over PQ, which is 12, is equal to AB. AB is here, I'm going to have AP plus this, which is my AP is L plus 5 roll over BC, which is 20. If you cross multiply here, you get 20L equal to 12L plus this time this, you get 60. When you put this aside, you have L, 8L equal to 60, and start your L there. It's going to be, I think, 7.5 centimeters. So if you have your L, but your L is what? Your L is the same as P. Okay, then they want me to get QC. This was my number 1. Then they want me to get QC. QC in Roman numeral 2. Where is QC? QC is here. What am I going to use? So that QC is on this line. I don't have it, so I can also use similarity. So you use what you know already. So I'm going to say let QC be X. So I'm going now to use this now, this line. I'm going to say AQ of the small triangle. So AQ over PQ of the small triangle will be equal to AC of the big triangle over BC of the big triangle. Now, my AQ is 6 over PQ, which is 12, is equal to AC. So that AC is the same as AQ plus QC, but my QC is X. So it's going to be now 6 plus X. If I say my QC is equal to X. So that's how I get X. Over BC, which is 20. So, if you allow me to write up here. So here I'm going, so that by this is going to be 1, by this is 2. So if you cross multiply, we have 20. I mean this times this is going to be 12. So we have 12 plus 2x equaling to 20. So when I take this side, so our 2x is going to be 8, and so my x is equal to 4. Therefore, my QC is 4 centimeters. Now, what I need to get also the area of the trapezium PQ. You know that area of the trapezium? Remind me of 3. Area of the trapezium is always half h into a plus b. So you see that we have our a, we have our b, we are missing the height. How are we going to get the height? Now, you see that if I consider this trapezium here, so be careful here. We are going to use some, okay, let me put it here. Using PQBC. So this is our trapezium that we are talking about here. So you know that from here, this is already 12 centimeters. I want to get a height. So if that is 12 centimeters, even from here up to here is going to be 12 centimeters. From here up there. Meaning that now, this is going to be equal to this. And if this is 12 and the wall from here up to here is 20 centimeters, it means that now, if this is x, this one is going to be also x. It means that now, this plus this is going to be 20. So now I used the x already. Anyway, let me call it y so that we don't confuse the things. Let me call it y. Okay, if this is y and this is y, so that y plus 12 plus y is equal to 20. So minus y is going to be minus the side, you get x over y becomes 4. So meaning I have this as 4. But remember, this one is already 5. So we need this height there. So how am I going to get that height? You know, if I pick out that triangle there, this is what I'm having. So I have this as 5, I have this as 4. Now I want to decide what am I going to use. I'm seeing that if this is my h squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. So our h is going to be 25 minus 16 and the square root. So that our h is going to be 3. So if that's my h, now allow me to come back here and put the solutions. So now it's that my area now is going to be a half times the height, which is 3, into now our n, this is our 12, then plus the 20. And therefore my area is going to be a half times 3, then times this, with the add here, you get that 2. And see by this one, by this 16. That is that our area is going to be 48 centimeters squared. So that's how you know about that number, members. I wish you the best.